Day 128. Good morning. Woke up at Centrum Scolenia. And here they offered us breakfast this morning. So we're gonna eat some. My legs feel a little bit kaput. Today we're gonna do another couple kilometers. We're gonna sleep at a camping place for tonight. We are ready to walk today. Today it will be a little bit less. The wind is a lot less today.
We visit some dinosaurs today.
No. We will not visit dinosaurs today. Hola. Hey you! Yes, you! Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Walk for Ukraine. So I posted a new video, go like it. If it hits 50 likes, I will post a new video. Check out my website, walkforukraine.nl. There you will find every information of what I'm doing. Follow it, check it, and I'll see you soon. Google Maps. Why are you so problematic sometimes? Really? You need to be a little more helpful to me. Because you send me to 3 different routes in one time, and then I take one, and then it's the longest one. So Google Maps, for the next time, be nice to me, please. And yes, right now we are walking in the middle of the forest. It looks beautiful again. I would say we don't even need anything. We can put our tent here and sleep in the forest. Only thing we can encounter: snakes, swines, wolves. We are coming really close to the south, so we can also encounter coyotes. What else can we encounter? Small chance of encountering a bear. Oh, and this ground is also not optimal. But yes, we're still doing it. Today not too many kilometers, because I got a nasty blister under my foot. So the whole time we've been walking on the sand path. Only now you can choose to go off the sand path and go on a road that is specially made for walkers. We don't know how long this one goes further, but we can always try it. So that's the plan. And look how beautiful. And just chill. These berries, and these, the black ones, are ripe, so good to eat. So are not really hydrating, and these are also not full of calories, but they are delicious. And all the black ones I really recommend to eat, because they are really good and healthy, and they taste really sweet. They taste like your mother would make a cake for you. In Netherlands You also got a lot of these. The red ones you can also eat, but are really sour. You ever out hiking? Key, really. Wherever they grow, they don't grow in a little bit, they grow in a bunch of them. And in this time of the year, you got a lot of them like this. This one is a big juicy one. I'm back. So yes. The whole time I have a blister under my foot and I feel it every footstep I take. But that's no problem, because when I arrive at the accommodation or at the camping, I'll make sure that the blister won't hurt me anymore tomorrow. All the places that you have seen in the video are perfect places to go camping. I really love this country. There's so much special things to offer. Good food, good nature, the animals. You see a lot of deers in the wild running. It's amazing to see. We just walked out of the forest and instantly we come across this stump. I don't know what it is. I don't know if we can walk in, but we shall see. If we can't, then someone will say something. Look. Oh, bullet holes. Polska militaria. Oh wow. Like, how can I say? Yes, like a house museum of what they have found here in the forest. I believe that. I don't know if it says this, but yeah, it looks really great. There you got an old cannon, there in the back. Some statues, what they maybe have found. And then here some other things with holes in it, stones on stones. This last couple kilometers, and then we finally reached the destination for tonight. Less than an hour walking, so that's beautiful. That is really nice. We have walked the whole time in the forest, like you see. It's at a bar where they hopefully have food, so we can eat them. It also feels good to step in civilization once in a while. Walking for hours in the forest is nice, and then walking in a little village make it better, and then walking in the forest again makes it awesome. This is literally the weirdest village we have been. The people here, when we go, and I, by one or another reason, talk a little bit Polish. I say then, dzień dobry, jestem Paulo, przepraszam, jestem nie ma po polsku. Maybe I say it with Polish accent or whatever. And then when I say, can we maybe talk English, they just hang up the phone. So Maidan Sopochki, I don't know what is up with you all. I come here in peace, and the only thing I get is instant decline, while you actually offer sleeping places to people. So I don't know what's wrong, but something is wrong. Everyone out of Maidan Sopochki, explain it to us, because it's all about respect. This is not so much respect.
I'm sorry,
Yeah, this is the most weird city, a village that we have been in a long time, like I already said in the video. At least here at the camping bar, where we got this delicious looking burger. They were really friendly, and they said we can put the tent here and just relax for tonight. It was a hard journey, but we have made a campfire, and a campfire mostly means we have arrived at our sleeping place. And now we're at a beautiful camp place with a campfire. All the wood is wet, but it burns, so that's good. I am tired. I'm ready for the next day. Oh, beautiful tent you cannot see because it's of course camouflage. And tent's also ready. Sarah sits next to me.
I'm also ready
And she's also ready for tomorrow.
to watch a movie.
To watch a movie.
Yeah.
And the campfire is also ready to keep the mosquitoes away. Everyone here at the camping, a lot of people at least, are enjoying also that it's Friday, so everywhere we hear music. This was it for today. And yeah, until tomorrow, sleep well.